Hiya folks, JD here, and today I thought we would take the SJRC S30W back out. It's been a long while since we've flown this. I'm really quite looking forward to it. So this is a GPS quadcopter we saw a few months ago. I had a lot of fun with it, but I did have one glaring issue, and that was the gimbal at the back here didn't move. So what I've done is I've taken it apart, I've tried to realign everything inside, and hopefully we're going to give it a shot today, and maybe, just maybe, it might work. This is my reason for taking it back out, is because I want to see whether or not I fix that gimbal. I'm not holding out a lot of hope, but still, I want to give it a try. So with that, my friends, let's take her up. Alright, so here we have her, she's up. We've got some video recording. FPV boom, holding strong. Okay. So let's take her up, let's take her out a little bit. Let's hold it down there for a moment. Let's try this gimbal. Oh no, it seemed to be working on the floor. It's not working at all. Oh, that's a shame. Oh well, we haven't gained anything, we haven't lost anything. Right. So the S30W, it has been a long while since this has been up in the air with us. It really has. And it seems, in speed mode 2, it looks a lot slower than the S20 when I had the S20 and we took that up. This really does seem to be a lot slower. Okay, but still fun. Okay, but still fun. Yes, yes. Absolutely. And, oh, it's just... that's what I like. I got this because it was a cheap GPS copter and I wanted to see what it was like. And I was pretty happy with it, if memory serves. I think I wasn't as far as the follow me function went, but we saw the exact same with the S20, where it just barrels in circles of up to 20 meters right the way around you. And that was a little bit surprising. I did not expect that to happen, but still it did. But at the same time, I thought that, and what I base a lot of my verdict on, is the flight and battery life. And battery life with this was pretty good, and flight with it as well is pretty good. And she seems to be holding her own quite well. She really does. Okay, don't get me wrong, she's still brushed. She's not going to hold her own against any sort of midway large GPS copter at all. But at the same time, she is doing a very, very, very good job of saying to people in the market, hey look, you want a cheap GPS copter? Consider me. And that's what it's about. That's exactly what it's about. And when you consider it as well, the price that you pay for her isn't that much at all. Her flight is very smooth, and I really like it. I do. I don't. This is the thing, when you start saying you like quadcopters, people start saying, but she's not as good as this one. It's not a comparison. It's just a flight test. It's just to see how good she flies. That's quite simply it. There's no... oh, that's my fault. That was me. My finger slipped. It's quite very, very, very humid here, and my hands are quite slippery. But yeah, I think all in all, you see, she just flies well. She does, you know. And one thing I do want to see though, and one thing I didn't check last time, I don't think. See, I like that. You move at a really harsh movement, and then with GPS, bam, she just self-levels. If I bring her in nice and slow, one thing I want to do, and I didn't do last time, I want to check out these photos. At least I don't think I did it last time. I'm usually pretty good when it comes to a camera. I want to get some photos. I will usually take some photos of how everything looks. So let's turn off video. Right, that'll save let's try a couple of these photos. So she is getting battered a little bit by some wind, not a lot, but she is moving quite a bit around, as you can see. I like it. I do like it. And it's fun bringing it back out, but she is not quick. But then this is more of a, I don't know what, I can't remember what she's like in speed mode 3. Speed mode 3, I think she's proper attack formation. Oh, yaw and roll, bam, straight back out there. Yaw and roll again. Yeah, she's not quick. Bless her. But she is very, very fun. And with that GPS hold as well, you really are getting a good bit of hold from her. Wow. The amount of air being funneled down through here is amazing. She's holding herself quite well, considering. Little bit of wind movement, she's readjusting for that. But all in all, I like her. Oh, that's the battery. Okay, I don't want her initiating auto landing and to start taking herself home. So I'm going to bring her down now. Right, there we go. I should really learn to move my tripod. I've been doing this for long enough. I do need to move that tripod so that I can come down for a nice landing with these larger quads. And the great thing about them as well, if you're looking for one under 250 grams, again, under 250 grams. If memory serves, I think she comes in at 185, 190, I think. Right, these motors are, let's feel, are these warm? Are these cool? Oh, they're okay actually, they're a little bit lukewarm. But they're all warm at the same temperature, which is good. I don't like having one which is boiling hot and the rest are cool. Then replace that motor. But there we go. Nice little flight. Nice little revisit of this guy. Unfortunately, the gimbal didn't move. Oh well. Win some, lose some. I'm not too worried about that. I'd never use her as a video or photography drone. I have my Spark and my Tello for that. But all in all, I did like this one. She's just fun. And for the price that I paid, I think I paid 50 quid for her. That's not a lot for a GPS quadcopter. It really isn't. I think now the price has gone back up, but unfortunately. But it was just a great price. I had to jump at it, and I did. There we are, folks. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.